Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Want to do this video walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. As you can tell, this boat has blue gel coat, and that's on the hull sides, and then up underneath the hardtop. The hardtop's an option on this boat, and it does have the optional hardtop. You can see the blue. And then I'd like to just take a minute to note the black that's going around there. That's because this boat has the optional full canvas enclosure as well. While I'm here at the bow, I want to point out a couple things. Got a stainless anchor, which is an upgrade. Stainless windshield top, that's an upgrade. This boat also has an anchor windlass. Up here on the bow, you also have a freshwater washdown spigot fixture. Coming around the side, again, another shot of the blue hull. White powder coated top. Here's a stainless windshield that I was telling you about. Stepping around, you've got a Mercury Verado 300 horsepower with the white in color, but it's equipped with a fishing package. So you got a couple rod holders here, a couple rod holders on either side of the hardtop. Got a place to attach your ski rope up top. Got an onboard battery charger right here. Keep your batteries charged. Boat does have 2 batteries and a battery selector switch. Stepping on board, bolsters are in great shape. Flip that over. This aft bench seat, it's in good shape. Starboard bolster, small wet bar. Flip this seat up so you can see the space in the cockpit with it up. Got access to your bilge and that hatch. Spinning around, boat does have the optional cockpit table. There's your mount for it. It's stored under the helm. This flips up, and fishing package gives you live well underneath there. This is a seat belt for the owner's son that can be removed, and they added this second cushion to it, which gives it an elevated seating position and this higher backrest here. Just some modifications. Can be removed if you don't need it, but it is there on the boat. Spinning around to the helm, we got digital throttle and shift here. On off key Linko trim tabs with LED indicator. Boat is equipped with active trim, so it's got 5 different profiles. It'll trim the outboard motor up and down for you while underway. Fusion stereo. Flipping up, VHF Ray Marine unit, Ray Marine chart plotter sounder. It's the controls through this knob, and it's touch display, and then Mercury vessel view display there. Got some canvas stored over in this helm that does open up. It is a pump out portable head system. You would pump it out, pull up, get fuel, and you can discharge the waste from the holding tank and the head through that fixture there. Again, close-up shot of this blue underside. The canvas enclosure zips into here. Does have a cockpit bow cover, so you can see the snaps around the edge that keep this covered, and then those snap in at the base of the windshield and keep the cockpit covered. Moving up to the bow, you can see these fixtures here. That's for a bow filler cushion that would go in this area right here and make this area a large sunning pad, or just cushions for people to enjoy themselves on. There's that water fixture, freshwater washdown up there, VHF antenna. Stepping down, you got great storage. You can access it through this that lifts up, or through this compartment here. This door does close off when you're underway. And then you can see down below, there's your cockpit table, and that base for the filler cushion, some life jackets, covers for your electronics. Index storage there. Guys, this is a really nice 230 Vantage. Appreciate you taking the time to do the watch the walkthrough video. Cockpit shower as well. With the fishing package, I also have saltwater, raw water washdown over here. My name's Andy Farmer with MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach, and Thanks for taking your time to watch this video. Let me know if you have any questions. 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818.